We all understand the importance of thumbnail in promoting our YouTube videos. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the basic step needed to come up with one. The first step, we'll go to Google, type plain background on Google search. So we have this plain background. We can just save it, and we'll go to our phone gallery. Is saved. This is it now. This is it. Go to CapCut. Then we click on new project. Okay, new project. This is the plain background we downloaded. So we had it to CapCut. But before we do anything, we need to check the aspect ratio. For YouTube, the aspect ratio is 16:9. So we choose that, then we just say okay. So we have this. Then you can zoom it with 2 fingers so that it can fill up the screen that way. So we have this already. So now we can make it a little bit long. Okay, so it's there. So now we do some a form of touching. If you don't like the background, you can adjust it. Click on adjust here. Then we can work with the temperature. Let's check. Let's just play around with some stuff. Let's play around. Okay, let's make it a little bit warm here. Okay, so we're a little bit warm this way. Then okay, I think I'm having, just keep on playing around with it, until you get your desired color. So we have this already. So now we need to bring the picture that we want to work with. So what we do right now is that we click on overlay, then we add the overlay, the picture. Let's look for the pictures. Okay, let's work with this picture that I have here. Let's work with this picture I have here. So you have this already here. Remove the background of this picture. So swap to background, remove BG, that remove background. You see, auto remove background. You can see the background is gone. Then we can take our 2 fingers to zoom it. I think this is okay. To zoom it right here. Let's zoom it right here, okay. Some adjustment to the picture if we think it's not too sharp or it's not giving us what we want. Okay, so let's position. Okay, let's click on adjust here. Let's look at the temperature. I think like this. Let's look at the saturation. I think this is giving us what we want, right? I think we can just keep on adjusting it to what I think this is a little bit cool, right? I think this is cool. I think let me make it set. We're going to add a text. So let's just add text. Let's just call it easy thumbnail. I decided to change the font. So we can decide to change the font here. I just play around. Let's look this. Let's do this. Okay. Now what about the style? Okay. I'll use this. Use this. Think something. This yellow. I'll use something red. Let's look at effects. This. Okay. I think this is nice. Okay, so we can use our 2 fingers. So if you think what you have there, you're not okay with it, you can still do some adjustment. Easy thumbnail. Let's add an overlay. Maybe we have another thing you want to add something. Okay, look at this. Okay, let's use this. let's put this CapCut logo here. We can actually adjust it to what we want. Just play around with it. Let's remove the background, this new picture that we added, so we can remove the background. You insert it this way, then you save it to wherever you want to save it to your desire. Save to pictures. So it's already saved. Here you can view it. Easy thumbnail, and this you can use it for your YouTube. If you find this tutorial helpful, do not forget to hit the subscribe button for more tips. Bye.